National Sports Day, 29th August 2020. National Sports Day is observed on 29th August 2020. National Sports Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. National Sports Day also stresses the need to stay healthy and fit. The main objective of National Sports Day is to spread awareness of the importance of sports and daily activities in every individual's life. History of National Sports Day. National Sports Day is also known as the Rashtriya Khel Divas. The day was first inducted into the list of celebratory days in the year 2012. National Sports Day is the center of attraction for ardent sports lovers of the country. The main reason behind celebrating National Sports Day lies in championing the spirit of sportsmanship and propagating the message of various sports. Who is Dhyan Chand? Dhyan Chand Singh is popularly known as the Wizard of Indian hockey. Dhyan was born on 29th August 1905 in Allahabad, Uttar Pradesh. He was regarded as a prodigy in the field of hockey. He has secured over 400 international goals and 1,000 goals in his entire career in 22 years during the period from 1926 to 1948. Dhyan Chand is regarded as India's greatest hockey player ever. Under the leadership of Dhyan Chand, the Indian hockey team has achieved several victories. He has led India into 3 Olympic gold medals in 1928, 1932 and 1936. By winning the Olympic gold medal on 3 occasions, and marked his position in the pages of history. During the 1936 Berlin Olympics, in the outset of World War II, Adolf Hitler was visibly impressed by seeing this hockey ke jadugar, meaning wizard at play. Dhyan Chand is remembered for his tacit refusal in saluting the great dictator during the hockey finals against Germany in 1936. Hitler was overwhelmed by Singh's performance and he desired to buy Singh's hockey stick out of admiration for the 3-time Olympic gold medalist. How is National Sports Day celebrated? The birth anniversary of Dhyan Chand is celebrated extensively at the national level. The Government of India pays tribute to such a legendary player by celebrating his birthday since 2012. On National Sports Day, the President of India gives out all sports-related awards like the Arjuna Dronacharya and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna to honor sportspersons and coaches who have made the nation proud of their service in their respective sports. The day is celebrated with great fanfare with walkathons and football tournaments held across the country. In the first year of celebration, FISI held sporting events all across India with the help of Ministry of Youth Affairs and other sporting bodies. On this special day, players from different age groups take part in various sports events like kabaddi, marathon, basketball, hockey, etc. Every year, 2 athletes are nominated by the selection committee for Khel Ratna Sports Award in the highest sporting honor in the country. On this day, friends and families gather together and remember the greatest field hockey player of all time and root their favorite athletes.